How to copy and paste on an iPhone. To copy and paste on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Notes on your iPhone. Once you're in, open a note from the saved notes. Now, select the sentence and hit the copy button from here. Minimize the application and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on the Create New icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the chat box over here. Long tap on the chat box. A short menu will appear on your screen. Tap Paste from here. As you can see, the text has been pasted in your chat box. Now, you can just add the recipient details and send it to them. By following these simple steps, you can easily copy and paste on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.